So now it's time to open up this inspection cover and find out what's going on. I guess that's why they call it inspection cover.
With your couscous perfume, I love your sweet smell. You're the young girl who can